Hi YouTube friends, I'm showing you my Patchwork Santa stocking from bucilla. It's not quite finished yet. This is the last one I've got on the go this close to being done, but I thought I'd show it to you anyway. It's one of my favorite ones. So what I was doing with this one was just writing on the back of this thing the year that I did it. And what I had run out of was my cording, which was this stuff, so I could make the loop to hold it. I've already sewn the front to the back, and this is the material that I'm going to put on the inside of it. I mostly picked it because I like the color of, the two colors together. So it's super cute. I had to do her hair, which was difficult. Did a little tweak here and there, a little tweak here and there. I super love this one. Just because I just love the patchwork, and I love the fact that it came together so easily, it's like super, super cute. So, and I definitely wanted the star there, and that's when I came up with, oh, well, we don't want to name them all, so we're just gonna kind of go like that with the year of it, the date that I was born, I guess you could say. And that's the girl. I took one of her legs off because she didn't need to have another leg in there, so she just doesn't have too many legs, but she ain't coming out. She's good to go. A little stock in there. And that is the fabric that I'm going to be using. And more than likely, I'm going to be using like this red to keep it matching. So if you guys are interested and you want to see me make the liner for this and sew it in, just comment below, let me know, and I'll try to make a video of it while I'm doing it. Other than that, I have a couple cut out ones, and I just got a couple in the mail for next year to make, and I'll be doing that. And if anybody's interested again and looking to see how to do it, I can make some videos while I'm doing that. And I hope you all enjoyed them, and I hope you all try to find one and do it. They're super fun and they're super cute. I made them for all my family's kids and my kids and my husband and my cats and everything. So, I accidentally bought an extra. I think I might even give it like, a charity or something, but I'll do it and then I'll give it to, I don't know, some kind of cause, as I accidentally bought too many. So, we'll see. That's one I just ordered in the mail. But I got a couple more to do before I even open these, but just ones I wanted. And that one. You have to have your classics, right? What's it without having the classic mama hanging the ornament? And they call that vintage Christmas. So, interesting. Got a whole bunch in there, but I've already cut a whole bunch, and I got to work on those before I unopen.